Okay, we're inside the office slash living area of the Ramsey Custom Shop, and man, I sure wish I could keep this sign. This is definitely one of the coolest I've ever made, and this is some 3/8" aluminum, and check out the edge quality on that. You saw me run over it and just chamfer it real quick with the deburr tool there, but just, you know, like the inside edges and the letters, I didn't chamfer at all, and the, you know, the trueness of the edge is just amazing for aluminum. So shout out to EcoMouse Design for helping me with the CAD, and also shout out to TrueCut CNC. If you're interested in making something cool like this for yourself, give them a look. Thanks, guys. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, be sure to check the center of the screen for 2 playlists that I've created. One that shows the metal art projects and other projects that we've completed, and the other showing educational videos on how to use a CNC plasma table.